Today, I want to walk you through a website that can help you study English online for free. Let's take a look at the British Council website together. You'll want to go to learnenglish.britishcouncil.org, and I will put the link below the video in YouTube. When you arrive at their homepage, you see here there are tabs across your screen, and here, if you do not know your current level of English, you can take their free online English test. It takes about 10 minutes and there are 25 questions. You don't have to take the test, it is optional. If you already know your English level or you want to browse the site, you can start by looking at the courses that they offer. Here you can see they offer free short courses, and you can look through. They last usually 3 to 6 weeks, and if that interests you, you can sign up for a course. But they also have many activities you can learn online without taking a course. For example, under skills, you see activities for listening, reading, writing, and speaking. If we click on speaking, we see at the top are lessons for beginners, and then they gradually get harder, and here is the most advanced. So if we click at the top, we can look at what a speaking exercise with the British Council will help you do. Here at the top are the instructions. Before watching the video, they want us to try to do this activity. It says, who says it, a customer or a shopkeeper? Put the phrases in the correct group. So, would you like a bag? That's something a shopkeeper would say. And can I have a bottle of water is something a customer would say. To move the items, you simply click on the item you want to move and then move it to the box. Once you complete the full activity, you will click Finish. Now, we didn't answer all the questions. It's giving us a warning, but it does show that the ones we answered were correct. And you can click Show Answers and it will give you all the answers. Now we're ready to watch the video.
Hi, can I help you?
Hello, how much is this magazine?
Let's see. Top Sounds, that's $1.99.
Okay, can I have the magazine? And do you have a bottle of water?
Yes?
Have you got cold ones?
Over there in the fridge. Is that everything?
I think so. Oh, and these sweets.
Okay.
How much is that?
That's £3.40, please.
Here.
Thank you. And there's £1.60 change. Would you like a bag?
No, it's fine, thanks. Bye.
Bye.
So now the video is going to allow you to practice speaking like you're the customer. It will pause and you will see the part that you should say on the screen.
Hi, can I help you?
So here we see we should say, hello, how much is this magazine?
Let's see. Top Sounds, That's $1.99.
And here we say, okay, can I have the magazine? And do you have a bottle of water? And you'll notice she pauses for us to say this, but it's not a long pause. We'll try the next one without pausing the video.
Yes?
Have you got cold
Over there
ones?
in the fridge.
See how quick it is? So my suggestion is at first, you pause the video as soon as you see the words. You have to be very quick because she doesn't give you a lot of time. Let's try one more.
Is that everything?
I think so. Oh, and these sweets.
Okay.
So there, we got it in time. You can play with pausing the video and trying to speak without pausing the video, and hopefully your speaking will improve. And the more you practice, the less you will need to read and you will know what to say. After you finish the video, you can click here to see a transcript of everything that is said. Also, there are activities you can complete to make sure you understand what you watched. For example, here, choose the correct option to complete the sentence. Is the woman in the video talking to a shopkeeper or a friend? It's a shopkeeper. To go to the next question, you need to click this arrow. The magazine costs how much, and so on. When you finish, you will click the Finish button. And it will give you feedback and turn green if you got it correct. There are a couple of tasks you can also choose to do. Here, you're filling in the gaps with a phrase from the box. So if the shopkeeper says, "Hi, can I help you?" So we click here and move it down. You'll complete the entire conversation and then submit your answers by clicking Finish. The other task asks us to put these lines in order. So, "Hi, can I help you?" is the first line. This is said by person A, the shopkeeper. So now we're looking for person B, who says "Hi" back, but this needs to be here. So first I click where I want the answer, and then I click where I want the answer. And now they're in order. And I would complete this for the rest of the conversation and then click Finish. And you will see the correct answers are in green and the incorrect answers are in red. So that gives you an example of one activity, and there are many speaking activities you can try. And you can try the same activity more than once, so your speaking will improve. They also have mini grammar lessons. First, you'll want to choose your level, and then choose the topic that you need to work on. For example, maybe we want to work on asking questions. So here are some example questions. Here is a test you can take to see how well you do. And here is a grammar explanation and a final test. And this will help you in areas of all sorts of grammar. Also, you can work on vocabulary. First, you'll want to choose your level, and then choose something like daily routine, a topic that interests you and that you want to improve. Here we have photos, and we need to match up the vocabulary with the correct photo. So here he is waking up. So I'll click Wake Up and click the box. If I'm not sure, I can click here.
Get up.
So this is the wake up. So when I get it wrong, I click, it puts it back to the top, and then I can move it.
Wake up.
Oh, so this one's wake up, and this one is get up. So you can move through the exercise like that until you are finished, and then you will click Finish, and it will grade it for you. Now, as you see, there are many tasks. The first one, you put things in alphabetical order, A to Z. The next one, you can work on spelling. Many students ask me for help on spelling, and so here you click to hear what you should spell.
Brush your teeth.
And now you need to fill in the missing letters. Now my spell check wants to help me, but the T is already there. And I would move through each of these, and then I would click finish, and it will tell you if you spelled the words correctly or not. There are many other activities here. In this one, you're putting actions in order of a normal day. Here, you're filling in the blank. I usually wake up. Here, you're needing to write the base form of this verb. So the simple past is brushed, so the base form is brush. And again, you click through to move through each one until you get to the end, and then you hit finish. And the last activity on this page, they're giving you the base form and you're supposed to put in the simple past. In addition, they have a business English section, which is helpful. Here you can find resources about job interviews, writing emails. So check out this page. And here is general English, and they have a wide variety of resources on this page. You can watch videos, listen to audio. There are magazine articles, games, how-to. There are a lot of resources to explore. And when you find one you're interested in, you click on it, and it takes you to that page. And then you will choose, what do you want to learn? How to pay a compliment, how to turn down an invitation. You'll click see more, and then you'll begin the lesson. So as you can see, there are many resources on this page, and they even have help if you want to take the IELTS exam. So I recommend that you check out that page, choose some activities, practice. If you do even one activity each day, your English will improve, and it's for free. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great time practicing English.